Namaste and good afternoon, my dear student of the class 10. Yes, we are in the quadratic equation and we have discussed that is subject questions. Yes, in the previous classes and I have written the two questions over here of the same, that is quadratic equation. Yes, and the question number first, it is said that the sum of two positive numbers is 14. Yes, and thus this is the first condition, and second one it is said that the sum of their square is 100. Yes, find the number. And already we have discussed the sum of that means positive number. It is said that means one is x and other might be y. No, it is not said that consecutive. No, if it is said that consecutive, then x and x plus 1 we are going to get. But if it is said that two number, that means we are going to get that. Yes, on the basis of that. So we have to know this one. If consecutive number is there, yes, then we are going to relate x and x plus 1. But here it is not such a consecutive word is not here. That's why we are going to relate the two number be x and y. Yes. So let the two positive number be x and y. We are going to relate that. Yes, we relate that. So from condition first, that is condition first. Yes, from condition first, the sum of two positive number is 14. That is x plus y equals to 14. Yes, let's write in simple form. So we get x equals to 14 minus y. Suppose this as the first equation. Yes. Now from the second condition. Yes, second condition, it is given that, yes, what is given that the sum of their square is 100. That is sum of their square, x square plus y square equals to 100. This is this type, no? Now this is the, yes, and we are going to put the value of x equals to 14 minus 1 in this, no? That means in equation second. Suppose this as the second. So putting the value of x in equation second. Yes, we are going to do that. So we get what? X square, that means what? 40 minus y whole square plus y equals to 100. This is a not. Now look here. This is in the form of a minus b whole square or not, and we are going to do that. Yes. This is square, so let's write square. So a square, that means 14 square minus 2ab plus b square. We have expand this now, and plus y square equals to, and then 100 is there. Yes. Now 14 square means what? 14 into 14, and if we multiply that is 14 square, we get what? 196. This is a you can check. Yes, minus 2 14s we get 28 into y plus, now look here, y square plus y square we get 2y square equals to 100. This is a not. Now bring this, arrange them in the quadratic form, that means y square then y then constant, and bring this 100 to this side first. So we can write this as 2y square minus 28y, yes, plus 196, and this minus 100 equals to 0. This is, yes, we can write like this. Or now look here, 2y square minus 28y, and now look here, plus 96 minus 100 we get plus 96 equals to 0. This is, now 2 is common in every three, that means in each terms. So take out 2 as a common. If you take out 2 as a common, we get y square over here, and 28 means what? We get 40, and plus here we get 48 equals to 0. And these two is multiplied, that side then it divides. Yes, we can write that directly. Yes, 2 square minus 14y plus 48 equals to 0. This is the, and now we are going to solve by the factorization method. We get the 48, and that from 48 we are going to find such a two number that while multiplying we get 48 and while adding we get the 14. Yes. So what are the two number? We are going to find that. Yes. If you let's factorize that. 48 means what? With 2 we get 24. Again with 2 we get 12. Again with 2 we get 6. Again with 2 we get 3, and then 3 ones are. And we are going to make such a two number that while adding we get the 14. Yes, 14, that means what? Look this. 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 3, that is not possible. Yes. So we are going to find 4, 8. 8 is here. 2, 3 is 6. That means 14. And 8 into 6 we get 48. That means two number are 8 and 4. Yes, we are going to do that. Yes. So two number are 8 and 4. So our y square minus this 14 is 8 plus 6 into y plus 48 equals to 0. So y square equals to minus 8y minus 6y plus 48 equals to 0. So take out from these two at first. Take out common. We find y. So remain y minus 8. Minus sign is here, so minus common. And here it is 6, here it is 48, so 6. We get y and minus sign, then sign changes. And we divide this 6, take out in common, that means 48 divided by 6. So we get 8 equals to 0. So we get two number are what? Y minus 8. Bracket at first, so remaining part y minus 6 equals to 0. We are going to write either, yes, y minus 8 equals to 0, y equals to 8, yes, or y minus 6 equals to 0, y equals to 6. This is two number, yes. That means we get value of y equals to 8 and 6, both the two number. And this we are going to putting the value of y in equation first. If we put that, yes, at first x, if y equals to 8, then x equals to 14 minus 8, that means 6. And if y equals to 6, then x equals to 40 minus 6, we get 8. That means what? Therefore, the two positive numbers are 6 and 8, or 8 and 6. This is the two number. Yes, we have, and in this way we can do the question number first. That means two positive number. It is not cycle consecutive. That's why x and y we have here. Yes. Now we are going to solve the question number second. Yes. Then after we are going to solve the question number second. And in question number second, it is given that, yes, look the question. At first, it is the right angle triangle. That means we have to know the right angle triangle, the figure of the right angle triangle. Yes, I will draw that at first. Look that. I will draw here. Look over here. In right angle triangle. Yes, this is the question is like this. So in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 and opposite of 90 always hypotenuse. And this base and this perpendicular. Which one you like? Yes. So this is, and it is given the equality question, right? Its hypotenuse is 5. That means this is 5 centimeter is given. Yes. And then we are going to find this and this. Yes. So we can write this as x and this as a y. Yes. And on the basis of that we are going to write. So question number 2 solution. You can draw this figure over here also, that side. Yes. Just you can draw that. Yes. So we are going to let that at first. Let, yes, the perpendicular perpendicular equals to x, base equals to y. Yes, this is, we have like that, and we have the hypotenuse and hypotenuse, not the height. Hypotenuse equals to 5 centimeter is given there. Yes. Now according to question, the perimeter of right angle triangle, and as we know that perimeter means sum of all sides, and here it is the triangle, that's why 3 sides are there. Yes. So perimeter from the first condition. Yes. So according to question, we can write according to question. According to question, perimeter equals to, that is, it is given 12 centimeter. This is, and perimeter means what? X plus y plus 5. That means x plus y plus 5 equals to 12. We get what? X plus y equals to 12 minus 5. Yes, that means what? X equals to 7 minus y. Suppose this is the first equation. Yes, and also we know that, or by Pythagoras theorem, also by Pythagoras, by Pythagoras theorem, yes, by Pythagoras theorem, yes, we have what? H square equals to p square plus b square. We have the relation, and we are going to put over here. No? Now x means what? We have the value, that is 5 square equals to p means we have x square, and b means that is y square. This is, and we have the value x equals to 7 minus 5. From the equation first, we are going to put over here. So we get what? 25 equals to x means what? 7 minus y whole square plus, and this is y square remain the same. And now we get what? Let's simplify this. 25 equals to, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So let's do that. So a square minus 2ab plus b square and y square remain the same. This is, so let's simplify this. 25 equals to 7 square, that means 49, minus 7 to the 14y, and y plus y we get 2y square. This is a nut. Yes. So let's bring this, all this 25 at this side, that side, then it will become minus a nut. So let's do that. Yes. So we get what? 2y square minus 14y plus 49, and this minus 25 equals to 0. This is, yes. So let's simplify this, or 2y square minus 14y, and let's subtract this. 49 minus 24, we get what? 9 minus plus sign, positive is greater, and 9 minus 5 we get 4. Yes, and 2 is here, sorry, 4 is here. 4 minus 2 you will get 2 equals to 0. 2 is here, 14 is here, 24 is here. That means we can take out 2 as a common. Let's make in simple form now. So if we take out 2 as common, we get y square minus 7y plus 12 equals to 0. That means what? We get y square minus 7y plus 12 equals to 0. That is, if y is 2 is multiplied here, this side then it divides, and something upon 0 upon something, that means 0. No? That's why we can write directly that. No need to show that. Yes. Now from 12 we are going to make such a two number that multiplying we get 12 and adding we get 7. 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 we get 7 and 9. So that is, so we can write y square minus 4 plus 3 into y plus 12 equals to 0. This is, or y square minus 4y, this is 4, yes, 4y plus minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. This is. Now take out the common at first from these two pairs. So y as a common, and we get y minus and minus. If we take out y common, then remain 4. So 4 here. Minus is here, so take out minus at first. And 3 is here. In 12 also there is 3. So 3 as a common, we get y. And if we take out minus, then sign changes. Yes. So it becomes minus 4 equals to 0. Yes. That is, so bracket at first y minus 4 and then y minus 3 equals to 0. This is, and we are going to do either, yes, either y minus 4 equals to 0, y equals to 4, yes, or y minus 3 equals to 0, y equals to 3. This is, that means we get the value of two value of y. Now we are going to put this, no, putting the value of y in equation first. Yes, in equation first, if you put if y equals to 4, then yes, then x equals to 7 minus 4 equals to 3, and if y equals to 3, then x equals to 7 minus 3, that is 4. So two values. Therefore the length of other two sides are, yes, 3 and 4 or 4 and 3. This is, yes, this is the question number 2. That means by Pythagoras only, by Pythagoras we are going to, from the condition first, the perimeter is given, by putting value in Pythagoras we find the two values, that means 3 and 4 or 4 and 3. That is, yes, this was for today. Thank you.